Memory is defined as the processes by which information is stored and then remembered, and there are different types of memory, such as short-term memory, in which information is stored for a period of several seconds or minutes, and long-term memory, which allows information to be stored in it for a long period. And memory is important in every aspect of daily life, as it provides a sense of self, and through which people experience life. It is one of the most complex processes, and its work includes many parts of the brain. The whole body, including the brain, needs the correct nutrients to maintain health, which include fats, proteins, vitamins, and sugars, and these elements help protect brain cells from damage, preserve the brain, and help it perform its functions better. In addition to therefore, choosing the right food type provides the appropriate energy to improve memory. Foods to enhance memory. There are a group of foods rich in nutrients that are particularly related to improving specific cognitive functions, such as working memory, remembering information, reducing the number of forgetfulnesses, and reducing inflammation associated with processing weak thoughts, and among these foods are the following. Number 1. Foods rich in omega-3 acids. These fatty acids help reduce the risk of developing dementia in the brain, as well as improve memory, as a study published in PLOS ONE in 2012 indicated, to reduce the chances of developing cognitive impairment associated with aging, neuritis, and from foods rich in omega-3, flax seeds, chia seeds, fish, nuts, tofu, Brussels sprouts, shellfish, canola oil, white beans, and avocados. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries provide many health benefits, including those associated with brain health, and blueberries and other types of berries that have a dark color contain anthocyanins, a group of plant compounds that have an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect, which reduce antioxidants from inflammation and oxidative stress, which may be associated with neurodegenerative diseases and brain aging. And a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2010 showed that moderate consumption of blueberries can help improve memory in the elderly. Nuts and seeds. Nuts such as almonds and seeds like fenugreek are important sources of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, which may be associated with reducing cognitive deficits that occur with age according to some studies, as a study published in the Brain Research Bulletin in 2016, conducted on mice, about the effect of almonds in a drug that causes memory loss, and it was found that almonds significantly improve memory retention. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts such as almonds and seeds like fenugreek are important sources of vitamin E, which is considered an antioxidant, which may be associated with reducing cognitive deficits that occur with age according to some studies. Mice about the effect of almonds in a drug that causes memory loss, and it was found that almonds significantly improve memory retention. Regarding seeds, a study published in the Journal of Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences in 2018, conducted on mice, showed that fenugreek extract plus choline and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains cocoa, which provides flavonoids, which are a type of antioxidant believed to be beneficial to the brain, and a review of several studies published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology in 2013 showed that the flavonoids in cocoa may enhance the growth of neurons and the blood vessels in parts of the brain that specialize in memory and learning, and may stimulate blood flow to the brain, and as another study published in the Journal of Experimental Biology in 2016, conducted on the snail, indicated that flavonoids reduce memory deficit problems that occur with age significantly. Number 5. Red turmeric. Turmeric has a dark yellow color, and it is a main component in curry powder. In addition to that, it contains many benefits that are related to the brain, and the active substance in it is called curcumin, and it can cross the blood-brain barrier, which means that it enters the brain and benefits its cells are straightforward, and it is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that may benefit memory, and a study published in the journal Neurobiology of Aging in 2010 showed that turmeric can enhance memory. Number 6. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of many nutrients that are related to brain health, including vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folate, and choline, and choline is one of the micronutrients that the body needs to produce acetylcholine, which is one of the neurotransmitters that helps regulating mood and memory, and to obtain choline easily, it is recommended to eat eggs, as egg yolks are one of the foods that contain more choline in a concentrated form, and a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition in 2013 found that there is a marked overlap between low choline, or low vitamin B12 and impaired cognitive performance. Number 7. Vegetables. Vegetables reduce the risk of brain damage and memory decline, so it is recommended to eat a large amount of green vegetables, such as broccoli, kale, bell pepper, spinach, asparagus, sprouts, and other vegetables, such as eggplant, corn, onions, as it considers this vegetable useful for memory, and a study published in the journal Neurology in 2018, in which 960 people participated, found that eating approximately 1 serving per day of leafy vegetables such as spinach helps reduce cognitive decline with age. Number 8. Oranges. Oranges are a good source of vitamin C, which is important for brain health, and for reducing cognitive impairment, and a review of several studies published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease in 2012 showed that eating an adequate amount of foods rich in vitamin C reduces cognitive deficits related to age and Alzheimer's disease. Number 9. Coffee. Coffee is known to be one of the drinks that helps with focus, and a large number of people drink it to stay awake, and the caffeine in coffee reduces the action of the adenosine compound found in the brain, which helps to feel sleepy. In addition, a study published in Scientific Reports in 2018, he indicated that caffeine may increase the brain's ability to process information. Green tea. Green tea such as coffee contains caffeine that enhances brain function, and improves alertness, memory, focus, and performance, but green tea provides other compounds that have brain health benefits such as polyphenols and antioxidants, which may reduce the risk of cognitive impairment, as well as reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, or as it is known as Parkinson's disease, and a study published in the journal Psychopharmacology in 2014 found that green tea extract increases working memory in specific areas of the brain, which improves task performance. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea, like coffee, contains caffeine that enhances brain function, and improves alertness, memory, focus, and performance, but green tea provides other compounds that have health benefits for the brain, such as polyphenols, and antioxidants, that may reduce the risk of developing cognitive deficiency, and it also reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, or as it is known as Parkinson's disease, and a study published in Psychopharmacology in 2014 found that green tea extract increases working memory in specific areas of the brain, which improves from performing the tasks. Other foods, such as A. Soy products, as they are rich in polyphenols that are antioxidants, which reduce the risk of dementia, and improve cognitive ability during aging. Examples of soy products are tofu, soy milk, edamame, sprouts, and soy nuts, soy sauce, and miso. B. Whole grains, natto and tempeh, as eating whole wheat bread, pasta, and brown rice helps give the brain the energy needed to improve memory. C. Avocados, which are an important source of healthy unsaturated fats, and may support brain health, and it is worth noting that eating monounsaturated fats may lower blood pressure, as high blood pressure is associated with decreased cognitive perception, and thus eating avocados may reduce the risk of deficiency. Cognitive eats to strengthen children's memory. The previously mentioned foods are useful for children to enhance their memory, as the children's brain develops and grows rapidly, and the food that children eat during the growth period is important for brain development, and affects their focus and cognitive perception skills. Nutritional advice to enhance memory. Limiting calories and saturated fats. Eating a diet rich in saturated fats, such as red meat, whole milk, butter, cream, and ice cream, has been shown to increase the risk of developing dementia, and impair concentration and memory. Checking levels of vitamin D in the body. Vitamin D is an important nutrient for the body, so its low levels are associated with many health problems, including reduced cognitive functions. Maintaining a healthy weight. it is important to maintain a body weight, which is one of the best ways to maintain its health and the health of the brain in the best state, and weight gain and obesity can cause insulin resistance and inflammation, which negatively affects the brain. Reducing the amount of sugar consumed. Foods rich in sugars have a wonderful taste, and give a feeling of reward when consumed, but eating them may affect memory loss. High-calorie diets. In addition to reducing sugars, reducing calories may help protect the brain.